Do you want to drive more traffic to your website without paying for ads or dancing on TikTok? Well, Pinterest marketing might be your best bet. In this video, we'll unpack what Pinterest marketing is, how it works, who it's for, and how Pin Generator can help you reach your marketing goals. Stick around to the end because I'll also share content creation tips for Pinterest, especially if you are a blogger, a content creator, a business owner, affiliate marketer who is just juggling way too much. So what is Pinterest marketing? Pinterest is the perfect platform for you to promote your content, business, or brand. But here's the thing. Pinterest isn't just a social media platform. It is a visual search engine. People come here to plan, search, and shop. They're actively looking for blog tips and inspiration, how-to guides, recipes, DIYs, products to buy, and so much more. Think about it like this. If you're a blogger with evergreen posts or you're an Etsy shop owner with seasonal products, Pinterest will keep those links working in the background long after you hit publish. This means that your content isn't just being seen, it's actively being searched for. And just a single pin can bring traffic to your website for months or even years to come. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, where the algorithm feeds into new content and posts get lost into the ethers really quickly, Pinterest has staying power. It's a perfect platform for driving traffic to blogs, showcasing your products, building an audience without being online 24/7, and it's even great for boosting SEO. If you sell something online or publish digital content, then Pinterest might work for you. Let's say you're a content creator publishing blog posts every week. One blog post can be 10 pins. If each pin gets at least 10 clicks, that's 10 extra visits to your website without you doing a single thing. And here's a bonus tip. You can even bulk edit your titles and your descriptions, saving you even more time and creating consistency for your brand and SEO across all your pins. If you are an affiliate marketer with product reviews, Pinterest can push your reviews in front of people who are already searching for that particular product. That buyer is ready to shop. Whether you're one person or maybe you're running an agency, it's smart, scalable, and it's made for the way creators work today. And here's the difference between Pinterest and all the other social media platforms. Pinterest users have intent. They're not just scrolling for fun or entertainment. They're there looking for their next idea, their next meal, their next outfit, their next home decor inspiration. And your product could be their next. Pinterest also isn't driven by trends. It's driven by search and discovery. This means that your content doesn't have to go viral in order for it to perform well. Plus, pins lead somewhere. That means traffic and conversions are built in by design. And since users are already in planning mode, they're open to new ideas, new products, new brands. They're open for the next. Whether it's a blog post or a product, Pinterest helps you meet the client before they even buy. So what makes a great Pinterest strategy? Pinning consistently, creating high-quality vertical pins, using the right keywords in your titles and descriptions, linking to valuable content like blogs or product pages, and designing content that matches your brand's look and feel. Sounds simple, right? It is, but when you have to sit down and actually create dozens of pins per day, it can become quite overwhelming quite quickly. And that's where Pin Generator comes in. It's an automation tool that helps you create and schedule Pinterest content in minutes, not hours. Here's how it works. Firstly, paste your URL into Pin Generator. Pin Generator will then automatically pull images from your website. It will then automatically create a beautiful batch of pins using smart templates. You can then schedule or publish Pinterest content right from one single dashboard. If you're someone who's juggling a million things, then Pin Generator might be your answer. Pin Generator is perfect for bloggers who want to drive traffic to their website, Etsy or Shopify store owners who are promoting products, Pinterest managers who need to scale, affiliate marketers who are chasing clicks, and honestly, anyone who wants to grow on Pinterest without spending hours creating pins. If you've been wanting to grow your website or online store, click the link below to give Pin Generator a try today. And if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You can also let me know how your Pinterest marketing journey is going by commenting down below. Thanks for watching.